This is us before the Griffith Uplands Trail. Feeling good. This is actually pretty good. I always love how I'm so optimistic at the start and then later I'm like, oh, uh-oh. Really like long trail or I've got So we are at the snowmobile trail. Already have a layer off. We've probably only done 1 kilometer. We're on Lake Mountain. We did it. Just kidding. Well, we are, but we're not celebrating too soon. Insane. Wow. Okay, so now we're going down after the first mountain. We were kind of hoping we'd stay up high, but we're going down, which means we have to go up again. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's working really good. It works pretty good with your boots. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Hold on. I think I could do it again. That was actually not too bad. I thought it would be more slippy. Whee! I'm surfing. Normal. Markers go there.
I would in the summer.
And they go up there. Oh boy. Oh boy. We should have brought crampons.
Made it.
Okay, so I think we're a third of the way done. And we're feeling it. The snow is deep. Okay, so the start of our trail was sunny-ish. And now the snow has come, so it's dark and blustery. I'm videoing how deep it is. This way, I guess. Whee. We keep going up.
A good butt slide.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
Maybe. Just trying to get up to the 3rd mountain, and now the snow is all of a sudden at my hips. Ah!
see if do you have almost full? You are on there?
Okay, so we're we're like halfway because the app says we've done 4 kilometers, but I will tell you, when you do 4 kilometers up and down mountains in shin to knee deep snow, that's why it takes a lot longer. Here we go again. Why does it not look very steep when I'm filming? But it's like... Status report. I think we're working on the last mountain. Seems like most of the trail has been uphill. They're scrambling. Our hip flexors and our legs are done. And we're feeling positive because we almost finished. And update, I forgot to say, there's hardly any lookouts. The lookouts are covered in oak trees. So don't come here in the summer, you won't see anything. Well, I don't know. Godin Mountain. Guys, what are these tracks? Ah! We're on the top of a mountain. Is this Bigfoot? Is this a moose on the top of the mountain? Is this a non-sleeping bear? Here are some offerings to the Thunderbird. There's bird rocks up here. And I totally forgot to bring my tobacco. I'm gonna have to figure out what's in my purse. Now. We are here on Godin Mountain, and the All Trails app suggested that we go clockwise, but we actually think it would be better to go counterclockwise because this is the best view and it's right at the end. And if people can't physically get through the trail, this is the best spot to come. So if you're coming to Griffith Uplands Trail, then go counterclockwise. That is all. Okay, the blue markers say we have to go this way. So we're going literally straight down off this mountain. May as well roll down like snowballs. Okay, so that's like sheer ice there. Okay. Oh my! Wesley and Buttercup. What's her name? This place is pretty. They're very good.
Lifesavers.
Very useful. Oh. I'm now just tripping. I was like, why do we have to go up another mountain? Oh, haha, there's the ATV trail. That's what we have to go back on. Oh, we just have to be careful because there's so many. Oh. Update. We can't walk. We're walking with a limp down now. Our hips are done. The knees are done. The quads are done. The butt's done.
I've lost my mind.
Yeah, she did. Me too. I keep falling over. God. I'm like, I just can't believe we just did that. I can't. Oh. Actually, I don't think I could get up now.
Made the mistake. Gotta roll up.
This is way too nice to lay down.
Oh.